In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a status bar in Excel with formulas. Start by opening Excel and creating a blank workbook. This gives you a clean sheet to build a simple task tracker with a formula-based status bar. The goal here is to show progress both as a percentage and as a visual bar, which makes your worksheet easier to read at a glance. At the top of the sheet, set up your column headers. In cell A1, type tasks. In cell B1, type status. In cell C1, type progress bar. These labels will organize the information clearly and make the sheet easier to understand. Next, fill cells A2 through A5 with your task names. These can be any tasks you want to track. Then move to cells B2 through B5 and enter either complete or in progress for each matching task. This status column is what Excel will use to calculate how much of the list is finished, so make sure the text is entered consistently. For example, complete should always be spelled the same way in each cell. Once your task list and status values are in place, click cell B7. In this cell, enter the formula =, count IF B2 B5, complete / count A B2 B5. This formula works by counting how many cells in the status range say complete, and then dividing that number by the total number of non-empty status cells. The result is your completion rate as a decimal. After that, keep cell B7 selected, go to the Home tab, and click the %style button. This changes the decimal into a percentage, which makes the progress easier to read. If half your tasks are marked complete, Excel will display 50%. Now create the visual status bar. Click cell C7 and type RIPT, RAEPT ZEP 7*10. This formula repeats the block character based on the percentage in B7. So if the completion rate is 50%, the bar will show about 5 blocks out of 10. It is a simple way to turn your progress into a clear visual indicator without using charts or conditional formatting. At this point, you will have both a numeric percentage and a text-based progress bar updating from your task statuses. As you change any item from in progress to complete, the percentage and the bar will update automatically. That covers everything you need to know.